This is an emergency broadcast from E4. As some of you may know today, there was supposed to be a meeting at the Pentagon with personnels from some NATO countries, and we now have some more information about the meeting, as it ended 2 hours ago. We have been told specifically not to broadcast certain information as it is top secret and hasn't officially been confirmed by scientists. But here's some information we can tell you. Scientists are working on a vaccine for the virus, but it will take a couple months for it to be created. Also, they have unfortunately made the decision, as well as other NATO members, to start bombing key cities in their countries. The cities that will be bombed in the UK are Bristol, Belfast and West London. Also, if you want to evacuate your city or town, you can go to Newcastle, Sunderland or to Middlesbrough. These cities and towns are setting up special camps. The same is happening in Dunfermline in Scotland. If you go to one of these camps, you will be quarantined for 3 days to see if you have the necrovirus. Make sure to bring food, water, radios, toiletries, clothing, batteries and medicine. Anyway, here are some news about the necrovirus from the military. Zombies have now reached Swansea, Leicester and Greenock. If you are in a 10-mile radius of these cities, evacuate now. Failure to do so will result in certain death. That is all the information we have so far. Normal programming will return in 5 minutes.